Welcome to today's video where we dive into some of the most challenging and unexpected moments on the road. It only takes a second of distraction to cause a major situation, so stay tuned as we learn from these incidents. Always remember, safe driving should always be your top priority. It looks like the driver just conquered fear factor. Talk about instant karma. The driver gets a quick lesson in justice. The next time this driver crosses the road, they'll be a lot more cautious. I can't believe that driver walked away unscathed after flipping like that. You'd need some serious footage to prove it. The driver clearly thought the red light was just a suggestion, but nope, that didn't work out. No way. This driver learned the hard way about lane changes. Glad they're okay. Those tires had their own adventure, didn't they? Let's hope they make it back in time for dinner. Looks like someone missed the traffic light memo and took a wrong turn in style. That's one big lesson at intersections. A semi-truck collided with at least 6 vehicles, but thankfully no one was hurt, even though it caused hours of traffic backups. Always maintain a safe distance, especially when you're near emergency vehicles. You don't want to find yourself in an accident. That green turn arrow can confuse drivers, especially when other traffic keeps moving in that lane. Always stay alert. You know what drivers experienced when they managed to drive into someone else's garage like that. Seems like the truck didn't just miss the toll, it also decided to remodel the booth with cement. A parked motorcycle got hit by an SUV after the driver dozed off. An inevitable crash, unfortunately. Good news, we found your stolen car. Bad news. You haven't paid your insurance in 3 months. Be cautious on snowy roads, folks. You can never be too careful. It looks like the truck driver mistook the store for a parking lot. That's going to be an expensive mistake. That decision might cost more than just a fine. Always think ahead. Never underestimate the importance of tire sensors. They could save you from a costly breakdown. This intersection is so chaotic, it feels like Zeus himself is controlling the traffic. A car towing a trailer lost control, sending it into oncoming traffic. Fortunately, no one was hurt. While cars can be repaired, imagine if a pedestrian had been in the wrong place at the wrong time. Sometimes we all try to carry too much. Maybe this guy should take a few extra trips next time. Rain can make visibility a nightmare, so drive safely and remain calm. Securing your mattress properly is key. If not, it could pose a danger to others on the road. Always drive with caution, especially when facing unexpected events. Thankfully, no one was injured in that crash. Dealing with road rage like this? Definitely not the best way to resolve a situation. When you spot an ambulance, always let it pass. It could be heading to save someone's life. The truck tried to make a U-turn but ended up crashing into a house. Thankfully, everyone was safe. Ever seen those mobile traffic cameras? They could use a bit of redesign. It looks like this car thought it was auditioning for an off-road challenge. Why do we keep making amphibious cars when regular ones do just fine? Making a U-turn with a truck. It's like a movie, full of twists and turns. Always remember to put your car in park before stepping out. You don't want it rolling away. That was one epic save by the driver. Lucky they were paying attention. Here's a crucial tip. Never shift to neutral while going downhill. It's harder to control your speed that way. Sometimes it's the smallest mistakes that lead to the biggest consequences. Always check your blind spots when changing lanes. When you park near corners or bridges, you're asking for trouble. Pay attention, even to the smallest details. Snowy streets in Montreal turned into a dangerous ice rink, leading to a massive pileup. Fortunately, no one was injured. Aggression on the road? It's only going to make things worse. Stay calm and work through it. If you've been drinking, don't drive. Always put safety first. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest content. See you next time. Hola a todos. En el video de hoy seremos testigos de momentos llenos de tensión, con accidentes inesperados. desde colisiones impactantes hasta situaciones caóticas. Acompáñanos a sentir la fragilidad de la vida cuando nos enfrentamos al peligro en cada camino. Risas. Una manera concreta de mostrar el descontento. Olvídate de las discusiones o los mensajes de enojo. Solo vierte cemento en su coche y asunto resuelto. Un coche le robó el estacionamiento a una anciana. Y ella decidió darle una lección rompiendo el parabrisas. El precio de no respetar un lugar de aparcamiento. Un deslizamiento de tierra repentino devoró la carretera y los autos que estaban en ella. La naturaleza puede ser implacable, pero esperamos que todos los conductores y pasajeros estén a salvo. Mira eso. El camión en ITV parece sacado de un videojuego de destrucción en la carretera. En un submarino. Seguro que el conductor no esperaba un viaje tan pasado por agua. Estás tranquilamente echando gasolina cuando de repente una furgoneta irrumpe como si fuera una escena de película de acción. Vaya susto de infarto. 2 ladrones intentaron robar una lavadora, pero al final el peso de la realidad los venció. Hay robos que solo sirven para hacer reír. El coche se fue de paseo porque olvidé poner el freno de mano. Por suerte, solo sufrió un pequeño daño. Hello, come, all right, you sign for... Ante la persecución de un K9, el delincuente no tuvo ninguna posibilidad de escape. Una demostración clara del poder y la precisión de las fuerzas del orden. Mira eso, su suerte. Acaba de alcanzar el 100%. El SUV hizo un inesperado acto de llanta voladora, pero por suerte, nadie salió afectado. Un susto de carretera inesperado. Vas conduciendo tranquilo y de repente te regalan un espectáculo de acrobacias automovilísticas en plena autopista. Oh my God. Un 4x4 blanco hizo un giro inesperado en plena autopista, dándole a una familia de 4 un asiento en primera fila. Por suerte todos están bien, solo un poco aturdidos. El instinto de supervivencia de ese conductor fue impresionante. Vaya reflejos más rápidos que el rayo. Seguro que este puente nunca imaginó convertirse en un punto inesperado en esta curva. Conduzcan con calma y seguridad. El semáforo da luz verde, pero no solo avanzas, también te llevas un desliz épico directo al poste del semáforo. 2 sospechosos utilizaron un Subaru Outback robado en Braydon para chocar contra la entrada del centro comercial Westfield Wen, causando grandes daños. Después del asalto, uno de los sospechosos huyó en un triciclo eléctrico robado, mientras que el otro se alejó en el Subaru. Finalmente, ambos fueron arrestados por la policía y ahora están siendo investigados. Escapatoria por un pelo. Todos pensaron que estaba huyendo después del choque, pero no solo estaba probando la resistencia de la llanta. Pensé que el coche solo retrocedía para ayudarlo a trabajar más rápido, no que había olvidado poner el freno de mano. El ángel de la guarda seguro que está haciendo horas extra. Por poco y recibe un boleto de ida al espacio. El camión perdió una rueda, como si quisiera organizar una fiesta sorpresa en medio de la carretera, y los 2 coches